Operating instructions. 1. To start, make sure ratchet is in the neutral position. 2. To operate, press the button and open the ratchet tie down until it is locked in place. 3. Pull the end of strap to the desired length. Attach hooks to anchor points. 4. Press the button to retract the excess webbing. Operate the ratchet fastening device until it locks into place. Release webbing. 5. Repeat steps 1 and 2 until it locks in place. Release the webbing and release the hooks. Press the retract button to retract the webbing. Turn off the ratchet fastening device.